Video, I'm going to show you how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut using the application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up CapCut, create a new project, and now find the two clips you want to put into one video or on one screen. Alright, so for this example, I'm going to use this city and I'm going to use this forest there that I want to put on one screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add, and now we've got the two videos here like so. So on to order to put these in one screen, it just depends where you want to put your video. So if you're doing a TikTok, you probably want to do a you got to change the aspect ratio. So for TikToks, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, etc., we want to go down, click on the empty space on the bottom here. We need to scroll left to right and click on aspect ratio. So for TikTok, Instagram Reels and that, just click on that ratio and then click the check mark. And now what you can see, I've only got one video on here. So what we need to do, we need to go to the first video and then click on overlay. There it is there. And now we've got the two videos. We've got the top video and the bottom video, but we need to put them on the same screen. So what we're going to do on this, we're going to drag this up, click on it, drag it up like so. And then we're going to make this fill half the screen. To about there. And now do the same with the next video. Click on the next video, drag it to make it fit the bottom half of the screen like so. You can move it left to right depending where you want to place it. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger like that. And now we've got both videos on the same screen. So if I go ahead and press play, I'll enlarge it, press play. You can see two videos are running on the same screen. This works for all different aspect ratios. It's just about adjusting the videos to fit the screen in the demonstration I just showed you.